looks at 7 bald eagles, thinks it's full America. He ain't got 50 states fucking, yeah. Heck yeah. So what we went at, I was kidding. Hey guys, my name's Mike, Mid-Pack Mike, and I'm Mid-Pack. So we're gonna go out in the middle of the pack and just be Mid-Pack Mike. We're gonna be ourselves, you know. You come here to have fun and be yourself, and I'm gonna be myself in the middle of the pack.
Are you new Spirit of Grid Life?
You know, I'm like right in the middle of the pack for that, you know. There's a lot of guys going for Spirit of Grid Life, but I'm just middle of the pack. So whether it's Spirit of Grid Life or GLTC or trying to win the lottery, you know, mid-pack. So we're just gonna have some fun. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna get the middle of the pack. Maybe middle of the pack will turn. Maybe there'll only be 4 cars that finish, and I'll get middle of the pack that way. And that'll be a podium. So there's optimism here still. There's also pessimism, because in the middle of the pack between optimism and pessimism, you have some isms without a word before it. Middleism. I think middleism is a good way to describe the emotions of this weekend. So we're gonna continue on being middleism, minimalistic, modernity, but most importantly mid-pack. See how race 1 goes.
Like heavier lift, more patience here, and then more committed to throttle right here. Because now you have all this steering angle, and then you find yourself like waffling. Okay.
The end of day 1. I am currently sitting 3rd. I did run almost all day on 7 cylinders. I lost a coil on cylinder 8.
Again?
Yep, just didn't sit well. I'm learning V8 things. And 54 things, they just are on top. So yeah, I wasn't clicked into the spark plug, and I was like, it feels a little sluggish, but whatever, it's a slow track, maybe that's just how it is. So we're in 3rd, I beat my PB on the warm-up lap of the first session. The car is just an absolute animal. LS life, wouldn't trade it for a thing. And yeah, so we were in the 56s at the beginning, and we've worked our way all the way down to the low 55s, and we're sitting in 3rd. So no complaints. Day 2 should be hopefully a little bit nicer, a little bit more overcast, and just trying to go fast.
Welcome to the start line. Andy Spedegard, Paul Darling at the front. Green flag, and we're underway at Gridline Circuit Legends and Eibach GLTC. Look at Aaron Lichty, 3 wide to the inside of Catil and the V8 Corvette. Wide there with Waldbaum on the outside.
Yeah, Andy had a good start, and Catil was following him. He had a nose.
Hey guys, Mike logging in. I got a penalty from last race for avoidable contact, minor, and I got a template script penalty, so I had to start 28th or something like that for the second race. Bit of a bummer. That's racing. We'll go in the back. We'll try to get a point or two at the end of the next race.
There's no way. I'm not doing a handstand.
I can do a handstand, he says.
I'm not doing a handstand.
He's easily peer pressured. Just keep pushing.
I didn't even peer pressure him.
No, I meant do it. Like peer pressure him. He's easily peer pressured.
Oh, it's not peer pressure, it's peer encouragement. Big difference.
Mike's got his thinking cap on. Mitch, do a handstand.
That was disgusting.
Do a handstand.
I'm gonna go get the one wheel and do a handstand.
On the one wheel? Dude, he's gonna snap something.
Do you have health insurance?
What? Maybe.
I don't think he has health insurance.
Insurance might be more important.
No, dude, no, don't fucking.
Oh my god.
You're gonna pass away.
Mitch, what are you doing? I want to see him get his ass up there.
He said he could do a handstand.
On a wheelie though, that's different.
I know, he said he could do a handstand, and then he spilled a drink on a sweatshirt, and he's like, oh, let me one-up myself and do it on a fucking one wheel.
Hey dude, just do it on the ground.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay.
You gotta tighten the core. You gotta tighten the core. I'm gonna jump up higher. Fuck!
You need some more core muscles, dude.
Tighten up. Tighten up. Tighten up.
He's gonna tighten.
Tighten to that thing.
A golf cart's just gonna come along and cream him.
Don't do it on that pipe. You will hurt yourself, you
I'm getting
idiot.
tired. I gotta try it again. In a second.
Oh my
Hey, good
god.
effort, dude. Dude, I gotta get up there.
You're sober, we know. Man, don't worry about it. We're
I'm
just
so
fine.
sober.
This is a bold situation.
Mitch, move away from other people so you don't take them down with you.
We're good.
I think we can
We're
move
good.
fast. We can move faster than him. He is pretty damn close.
That's the most.
I'm gonna grab your leg when you
I'm 200.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind next time.
200.
Don't hit his too late.
Too much sauce on the takeoff on that one.
I'm calling my mom.
Can you hold this for me?
Hold my beer.
No way. There's no. I'm so tired.
You gotta do one more try.
Watch the chin. Watch the chin.
You're too slick, dude. You're oiled up.
I'm